Have you heard about the new Facebook Reels? Guys, Facebook is paying people thousands of dollars for creating 60 seconds video with their mobile phone and sharing on Facebook. If you go on Facebook a lot, I'm sure you must have seen this and you're wondering what it is and how you can take advantage of it. Facebook Reel offers massive opportunity and your girl has joined. I created my first reel today and I'm about to show you how you can take advantage of this. Now the truth is, Facebook Reels offers massive opportunity for anyone to start and grow their business. Plus, you get paid for creating videos. So if you're wondering what Facebook Reels are, how you can set it up, in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know and do to set up Facebook Reels and take advantage of this massive opportunity it offers. So you want to stay with me to the end. Don't skip any part so you learn exactly what it is, because it was introduced just a few days ago. What's up, family? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chamaka. On this channel we talk all things money and how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for stopping by again. So let's dive in. Facebook Reels has been in existence for some months now, but it was accessible to just few countries. Now, a few days ago, Facebook added about 150 other countries to join this, and luckily, Nigeria is one of them. So here's the list of countries that are eligible to create Facebook Reels. Whether you're a business owner, a career-oriented person, or you are just an individual looking for ways you can make money online, Reels got something for you. And that's because you can use it to promote yourself, your career, or your business. So what are Facebook Reels? Reels are a new way to create short, entertaining videos, get discovered by new audiences, and be part of cultural moments on Facebook. So Facebook Reels are short videos of 60 seconds or less you create with your mobile phone, edit it and publish it on Facebook. And here's the thing, all the features you need to create this video, edit and publish are all contained on the app. All you need to do is just pick up your phone, hit the record button, and then edit it, add all the features you need to make this video perfect. Then you publish it. And the good thing about Facebook Reels is that Facebook promotes it for you. So once you publish your Reels, it's going to pick it and start showing it to people who are not in any way connected or related to you on Facebook. Now you see, it's a great way of putting yourself or your business out there, running adverts without paying for adverts. That's how amazing it is, and your girl has already jumped on this. So I created my first reel today, and I want to teach you everything you need to know and do to get on this. Reels has been on Instagram for some time now. It just got introduced to Facebook not long ago, and the good thing is you can cross promote your Reels. So you can create Reels on Instagram and you share it on Facebook and get more people, more eyeballs on your content, and vice versa. For example, you bake cake, you can create 60 seconds video of your cake where you talk about who you are, what you do, and even show people different designs of your cake. Then you publish it on your Facebook Reels. Facebook is going to pick it up and start promoting it for many more people to see it. It's indeed an amazing way to promote your business, getting in front of your target audience, and then growing your business without paying for ads. So now that you know what Reels are, let me show you different places you can see Reels on Facebook. The first place you're going to see Reels is Facebook feed. The second place is here, Reels section. The third place is your Reels profile. The fourth place is groups. So Reels are already on groups. The fifth place is Facebook business page. So if you have a business page, you can always create Reels. Just jump on your page, click on the Reels button, and then you create Reels for yourself or your business. It's that easy and straightforward. Now let's look at how to set up Reels. To access Reels, you need to update your app. So if you cannot find Reels right now on your Facebook feed, you need to go to App Store or Play Store and update your app. Now here's the thing, the app has to be main Facebook app, not Facebook Lite. So you need to make sure that your app is main Facebook app because you can't access it with Facebook Lite. As soon as you're done updating the app, go back to Facebook and refresh your feeds, and you are going to see the button in those areas I already mentioned. With that said, let me show you step by step how to create Reels with your mobile phone, edit it, and publish it on your Facebook. Let's go. To create Facebook Reels, all you need is head over to Facebook here and click on this Reel button here. Scroll down to Reel section and select it. So here is Reel section. You can see all of these videos are from people I do not even know. And this is how Facebook is going to start promoting your videos the very moment you create and publish your Reels. So to create it, here is the one button that says create, and then the second one says my Reels. So let me quickly show you what it is. This button shows you all the Reels you have. It's also going to show you people that have liked your Reels. So all you need is come over here and click on create. So it's going to open for you to create your Reels. Now I'm going to walk you through all the buttons that are here so you understand how to use them. The first one is add music. So with this add music button, you can add music to your videos. Here are a bunch of music you can select from here. Select the one you want and click on it, and it's going to beautifully wonderful. The next button is length. You use this to control the duration of the video. You want it to be 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you decide. The next button here is speed. So you use the speed to decide how fast or slow the music or the video is going to play. The next button following it is effects. With effects button, you can add effects to your videos. You can see that. You can see how it looks. There are so many of them you can add to your videos, a whole lot of them. Okay. The next button here is timer. So this is what you use to control the countdown timer, 3 seconds countdown or 10 seconds. You also use it to control the duration of the video. You can make it 15 seconds, you can make it 30 seconds. And so the next button here is green screen. So with green screen, you can change your background. So if for any reason you don't like your background, you want to change your background to say something else, you can select it from here and then you apply it. You can see the backgrounds. So you can see the backgrounds we have here. Two types of backgrounds you can add. The first one is the scenes and the second one is the camera roll, which means you can actually go to your camera roll and select a picture or a video background from your phone and add it. Okay, you can actually select one here and you apply it. You can still see me there.
Have you heard about the new Facebook
in another video and all
guys
that.
Facebook is paying
so let me go to the scene and select one here. Click on done, and the next button is this image button here. This allows you to create reels from already existing videos or pictures from your phone. So you can actually select some of the pictures here and create reels out of them. It mustn't be you recording yourself live. And the next one is the camera icon here. So you can actually flip your camera front or back. So to record your reels, click on this button and hold it. Then you go on to say whatever you want to say. Hello guys, I want to teach you how you can create Facebook Reels using your smartphone. I do hope you like it and get value from this. Check out my videos and let me know what you think about it. Alright? Hello guys, I want to teach you how you can create Facebook Reels using your smartphone. I do hope you like it and get value from this. Check out my videos and let me know what you think about it. Alright? Next thing is the audio. You can actually control the audio here.
I do hope you like it and get value from this.
So you can control the audio here, reduce the volume and all that. The next is text. You can add text to the video. You can actually place this in anywhere you want. You can also change the color using this color palette here. The next one is effects. You can add effect at this stage to your videos. You can see all the effects like I said. Different effects we have. Different effects. And the last one is trim, where you can actually control it. You can see you can actually extend it. With the trim button, you can cut the video. Once you're done, you click on done and then you click on next. It's time to publish the video. Now you can decide whether to make this video a public, everyone to see it, or make it for only your friends to see, or even select some friends you don't want to see. So whichever one you've done, once you're done, you click on this arrow button back and then you click on share reel and it's going to publish. So you can see it's already uploading here, and that's exactly how it is done. That's how to create reels and upload on your Facebook. Hope you got value from this. Please share with your family and friends and subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.